Hello everyone, welcome back again. This tutorial you will learn how to change lock screen wallpaper on Samsung phone. You can follow this guide easily change it. Let's get started. First of all, go to settings. Then scroll down slowly. You can find the wallpaper and style option. Click on them. After that, tap on your current lock screen wallpaper option. After the page is open, click on the image icon at the top right corner. After the wallpaper page is open, you can see all of the pre-installed wallpaper listed there. Simply scroll through the option and select any wallpaper if you set it. For example, if you select color wallpaper, simply select any wallpaper. After the wallpaper is set up, you can also adjust the clock size, style, add widgets and more quick app in the bottom section. Once everything is okay, confirm by tapping the done button top right corner and wait to complete the process. After the changes is complete, simply lock your phone and check your lock screen wallpaper and you can see the newly set up lock screen wallpaper there. That is how you can easily done. Thanks for watching. Take care.